It is Monday, February 10th, and this month of February has just brought us winter at its worst. Take a look at Newfoundland, the blizzard conditions impacting parts of the province. Up to 40 centimeters of snow reported in some parts of Newfoundland as of our Monday morning. Now, other parts of the country feeling the cold and with a little bit of precipitation, getting snowfall like this and a little bit of dicey pass move there on the highway. But all in all, parts of British Columbia have been feeling the snow, and even Nunavut, where the cold continues to be a big story. But really, the cold is not just confined to northern Canada, it's sinking across much of the country, and we can really see through the whole week that cold looks like it's here to stay, and we'll see just how cold it's going to get to start the week in the prairies. Take a look at Regina, for example, minus 25 degrees with the wind chill, minus 38. Again, that's the afternoon high. That's as good as it's going to get for today. So bitter cold locked into parts of the prairies. Not much in the way of snowfall. We do see some pockets of snow. You see there kind of moving across Alberta in particular. So with those snowfall totals, could get up to 10 centimeters in the most affected areas all the way through the week. So other than that, just trace snowfall amounts for the rest of the prairies. Here's a look at Calgary's 7-day forecast, and we see temperatures a little bit up and down, but cold weather does appear to be sticking in the forecast. And for Saskatoon, very consistent cold is ahead for at least the next 7 days. Off to British Columbia now. Southern areas getting a little bit of straight effect snow. Some Arctic outflow warnings are really helping to tell the story of the cold temperatures that continue to impact this part of Canada. So here's a look at the below seasonal temperature of just +1 for Vancouver, with the wind chill feeling like -2, but even colder temperatures into the interior. Now the 7-day forecast for Vancouver helping to illustrate sunny and cold, but then once we get late week, milder temperatures build in, and then even a more cloudy and active pattern appears to be on the horizon. How about this for active weather on our Saturday night? We saw reports of up to 19 centimeters of snow in Oakville, Burlington, 17 centimeters, 15 at the Toronto airport at YYZ. Now, we could have yet another system waiting in the wings, but all in all, in the short term, we just have some lake effect snow. But heading into Wednesday, a Texas low moving into the area, and this could really take one or two different directions. If it heads further north, we would see more of that snowfall kind of away from the GTA. But here's a look at how things are going to arrive into our Wednesday. And so heavy snowfall, fairly widespread across the area. This will be something to keep an eye on as it moves in Wednesday evening. And one scenario is the snow, more so heavy for Parry Sound, but then other weather models are saying this could actually track a little further south and have much more profound impacts for areas like Hamilton and Toronto. So this will be one, to certainly watch how things develop and get a little more clarity as we get closer. Meanwhile, the winds with this event are going to be quite brisk, and that could add a whole other layer of difficulty with this system. Ultimately, it's going to move through Ontario, pushing snow into Quebec as well, and ultimately into Atlantic Canada. But in the short term, blizzard conditions and blizzard warnings were in effect for St. John's on our Monday morning. That will start to clear, but the winds will still be strong, and that could lead to blowing snow.